Hello, this is Kamini from Speak Like Kamini and welcome to today's video on Vocabulary Challenge Day 7. Today we are going to take up some synonyms of simpler sounding words with the alphabet G. This will help add on to your vocabulary and polish your communication skills. If you missed our other videos of the same series, you can catch them in the playlist section. Alright then, the first word on the list today is glutton, which means someone who eats too much. कोई भी इंसान जो बहुत ज़्यादा खाता है, जिसे हम हिंदी में पेटू भी बोलते हैं, हम उसे glutton से रेफर करते हैं. For example, he ate like a glutton at the party yesterday. The next word on the list is grapple. किसी भी सिचुएशन में हाथ पैर मारना, उस चीज़ को समझने के लिए या सिचुएशन से जूझने के लिए उसे हम बोलते हैं grapple. For example, the lion grappled for his life. The next word on the list is grueling, which means physically or mentally exhausting. कोई भी चीज़ जो हमें दिमागी या फिजिकल तौर पे थका दे उसे हम बोलते हैं grueling. For example, the runner's training was grueling. The next word on the list today is gullible, which means innocent. So जब आप next time innocent word use करना चाहें तो उसे gullible से substitute कर दें. For example, she could not see through his deception because she was gullible. वो उनके धोखे को समझ नहीं पाई क्योंकि वो बहुत ही innocent थी. The next word on the list is glum, which means sad. दुखी के लिए हम बोलते हैं glum. For example, why are you looking so glum? आप इतने उदास क्यों लग रहे हैं? So उदास के लिए हम यहाँ बोल रहे हैं glum. The next word on the list today is grudge, which means resentment. किसी के लिए अपने मन में मन मुटाव रखना उसे हम बोलते हैं grudge. For example, don't nurse a grudge. What's done is done. अपने मन में मन मुटाव ना रखें. जो हो गया सो हो गया. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning these words and will try practicing them in your speaking. If you have any questions pertaining to this video, feel free to write in the comment box. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram to know more things about English. Tomorrow I'll be back with the next word. Till then, it's bye-bye from Speak Like Kamini.